Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have for you a Happy Meal from Crystal Skies, hand-dyed, and this is called Wizards and Witches from the Winter at the Castle. So, I have 2 bags. Oh my. I don't know which to open first. Little one first? Let's go with the little one first. Oh my. I can't wait to, I have no idea. All I did was take them out of the plastic, out of the mailer, and I have no clue what's in them. So, surprise to me. Alright. Let's see. Alright. Oh my. There's candy. Here. There's candy falling out. So we've got 2 Puff Mints. We've got a Hershey's and a Kit Kat. We've got a apple cider and a hot cocoa. Oh, Irish cream hot cocoa. Nice. And there we go. I'm trying to get to come in. Harry Potter Superior Playing Cards, Waddingtons of London. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. That's kind of neat. Alright, that's neat. And then here is the yarn that goes to that. So let's check it out. I love these bags. Alright. Alright, let's see. Oh, it's beautiful and stunning. Look at that. Isn't that stunning? That is gorgeous. So here's the mini skein in the blue. And then here is the solid one. And here's the name. A Winter's Night at the Castle. And that's it. And this is her store. I'll link her Etsy shop in the description box below. But isn't that beautiful? Absolutely stunning. I love that. I love that. Look at that. Oh, it's a string from the bag. There's strings from the bag. It's not the yarn. That is beautiful. I love that. That is really pretty. That is just stunning. I love that. I think it's snow. So, I really love that. I do. I hope you guys like that too. So, check out her shop. She's got some gorgeous yarns. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.